If you know the OG ANGHAM, she now has a sister, and it's ANGHAM second song. Welcome back to today's video, ladies and gentlemen. Now there are a couple of perfumes I just got that I would like to do an unboxing for. At first I wanted to do like a video for the three of them together, but I don't want to rush these videos. I want to take my time to really experience them and talk about them. So I am going to be doing individual videos for the three perfumes that I have or that I just got. The first one is obviously ANGHAM second song. The second one is Petra by LATTAFA. All the perfumes are by LATTAFA, okay? And I also have Dynasty by LATTAFA as well. At this point, it's safe to say that when it comes to LATTAFA perfumes, I am always jumping on them before I look at other perfume houses. I don't know how I got here, but I'm here anyway. So let's get started with ANGHAM second song. If you want the packaging, the same packaging as the OG ANGHAM, the difference is just that this one is pink. Right now I would go ahead and unbox this right away. Okay, so I have not checked out the note of this perfume. I like surprises. Yes, I like surprises. I've not checked it out. I really want to be wowed or disappointed by this perfume, so I just didn't check out the notes on Fragrantica to know what it smells like, right? But we are going to be finding out together. This is what the bottle looks like, the same as the OG. This is the OG and this is the new one. They are practically the same bottle. The difference is just the color of the juice. What do you think this perfume will smell like? Do you think it's going to be as good as the OG, or it's going to be better, or it's going to be, I don't know, it's going to be I would like to know your thoughts in the comments section, right? God, please, let's just go ahead and spray. This perfume smells fruity. It smells like a juicy fruit, a juicy green fruit, a juicy green fruit with some citrus in the mix. It also smells floral. This is a lot of florals with citrus, and like a blend of citrus, florals, and some green fruits like maybe apple or pear, right? That's what this perfume is given. At the initial smell, you think it's a juvenile type fruity perfume, right? But after a little while, like 5 minutes, begins to smell floral. The accord of this perfume is floral, sweet, fresh, vanilla, citrus, white florals, musk, amber, rose, and powdery. The note of this perfume is pear, blossom, bergamot. At the middle is peony, praline, orange blossom, vanilla musk, tonka, and ambroxan at the base. At first spray, you think it's a fruity perfume, but it quickly changes to a floral perfume, right? It's a floral perfume that is bright, like it's bright, a little sweet. It's sweet. The kind of sweetness that this has want to resemble the type of sweetness that is in Anna Coral. That type of sweetness, it's kind of, you know, in this one somehow, but this is more floral. It's more floral. Does it smell anything like ANGHAM? No, it doesn't smell anything like the OG ANGHAM. The OG ANGHAM is vanilla, a lot of vanilla. Also, it's giving me the vibe of Maya Natural Intense, because Maya Natural Intense is also like a green floral perfume, right? It smells green, clean and fresh. This one does not smell clean or fresh at the initial spray. Okay, but for first impression, I think there's some sort of sharpness I'm getting from this. Maybe it's the citrus. Okay, maybe it's the citrus that is giving it that vibe. The OG ANGHAM is yummy sweet, vanilla, lavender, beautiful, like yummy sweetness. Okay, but this is giving floral, this is giving elegance, but that's sharpness, maybe from the citrus or maybe bergamot or something, that is not making me understand what is going on here. But hopefully that sharpness is going to disappear after some time, because this is just my first time of trying this perfume. This is my first impression of this perfume. For now, I'm just in between it. I'm just indifferent about it. Maybe it will, you know, I don't know why I am always feeling like this when it comes to floral perfumes. I don't know why I struggle with them a little bit. I don't know why that is, okay? But it's not a fantastic perfume to me. It's not a fantastic perfume, and it's not a bad perfume. I think this perfume will get better. I think it will get better. Now let me spray it on my skin and see what it will give. On skin, it smells floral as well. It smells floral, just like it smells on the strip. It smells floral, but the sharpness on skin is lesser compared to how it smells on strip. So yeah, I'm still indifferent about the second song. Maybe it will grow on me, who knows? Maybe it will grow on me, but for now I'm indifferent about it. Hopefully I get to enjoy it soon. Obviously I will come back for a review when I have tried it. Okay, until then, I'll see you in my next video. My name is Gloria. Keep smelling your absolute best. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.